Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about whether BluPeak offers shared branching with other credit unions. Shared branching is a cooperative network that allows credit union members to perform transactions at branches of other participating credit unions. This means you can do your banking, like making deposits, withdrawals, or loan payments, at a different credit union as if you were at your home branch. BluPeak Credit Union is part of the Co-op Shared Branch Network. This is great news for their members because it gives them access to thousands of credit union locations across the country, in addition to BluPeak's own branches. This is particularly useful for members who travel, have children in college, or move to a new area. To use shared branching, you'll need your BluPeak credit union name, your account number, and a valid photo ID. It's a convenient way to manage your finances even when you're away from a physical BluPeak branch. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.